How to set up WeChat Wallet. Just go ahead and open up your WeChat app on your phone. Once you're in WeChat, look up at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a little plus sign. Give that a tap. Now, you'll see a few options pop up. Look for one that says Money and tap on Net. Before we dive in, WeChat will probably show you some terms and conditions. Give them a quick read, and if you're okay with it, tap on Agree or OK or whatever it says to accept. Now, it's time to turn on WeChat Pay. Just follow the instructions on the screen. It's usually just a button you need to press. After enabling WeChat Pay, you'll want to add your bank card. Look for an option that says something like Add a card and tap on it. Tap on Provide full identity information. Tap on Agree. Now, they'll ask for some details. Fill in all the information needed. Tap on Next. Time to enter your bank card info. Once everything's filled in, look for a button that says Next or Continue or something similar and tap on it. They might ask you a few more questions or for confirmation. Just follow along and do what they ask. And that's it. Once you're finished with all that, your WeChat wallet should be good to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And for more helpful guides and updates, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy spending!